Bonsoir les amis, bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. Today we are going to conjugate another special verb, that is épeler, which means to spell. It is pronounced as épeler. This is going to be conjugated in the same manner in which we conjugated the verb appeler. The change was simple, that L will get changed into double L except for nu and vu form. Because of the elision rule, we will change je to J apostrophe, j'appelle, double L, tu appelles, il allant, appelle. In nous form, nous appelons, single L. Vous form, again, single L. And in the end, L, double L, ENT, appelle. The pronunciation for these three, for this particular conjugation is j'appelle. These two are conjugated in the same way, pronounced in the same way. Appelle. Because of the liaison rule, S will get connected in both these conjugations and the pronunciation will be zeppelon and zeppele. Zeppelon and zeppele. Here also, because of the liaison rule, zeppel. In negation, when we conjugate this, je n'appelle pas, tu n'appelles pas, il, elle, on n'appelle pas, nous n'appelons pas. Write the accents again in vous n'appelez pas with accent. In this and in this form, put a asterisk mark. These two are important conjugations, and in the end, so the meanings are I spell, you spell, he or she spells, we spell in informal way, we spell in formal way, you spell, then they spell, I don't spell, you don't spell, he or she does not spell, we don't spell, or we are not spelling, you don't spell, they are not spelling, or they don't spell. And the pronunciations are j'appelle, tu appelles, nous appelons, vous appelez, il appelle. Je n'appelle pas, tu n'appelles pas, il n'appelle pas, nous n'appelons, vous n'appelez, il n'appelle. Here in the spelling, there is lexion aigu. I'm giving you some sentences to make you understand how this particular verb épeler is conjugated and is used in the framing of any sentence. So the first sentence is j'appelle mon nom. This means I spell my, nom means my, name means this is surname. pronounced as nom. Second sentence, tu n'appelles pas ton prénom. Prénom means first name. Ton means your in informal way. This is a adjective possessive. We will do it in upcoming lectures. Tu n'appelles pas ton prénom. You are not spelling your name. The third one, nous. Remember single L. N'appelons pas notre adresse. Adresse, which means address. We are not spelling our. Notre means our. Notre. Address or address. So the four sentences. Est-ce que vous appelez votre ville? Ville is city. It is a feminine singular noun. Votre means your in formal way. Est-ce que vous appelez votre ville? Do you spell your city? So these are the sentences which I wanted to share. Please practice the verb Épeler in affirmation and negation and frame your own sentences. Share those sentences in our comment section and I will see to those particular sentences. This is all for today. Please like the video if you understood the content and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu and please press the bell icon for getting all the future updates on time. A très bientôt.